Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's open the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's scroll down to find the eye comfort shield, which is basically the name of the night mode or eye comfort mode in this device. We can turn that on just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. So to customize it, we have to tap on it, and as you can see, we've got the switcher with the color temperature. So by going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. It's of course up to you which intensity is better for you. Just set it like you want. You can also schedule that feature, so currently it is always on, which is more manual option. You have to manually turn it on or off. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. As you can see, it is location based. I don't allow. Of course, you will have to allow the location to be able to use this option, and you can customize it. So basically you can pick the start and the end time of your choice, then tap on done, and your device will use it. So turn on and off the option on proper hours. So basically this is the whole customization of the eye comfort shield, and if you want to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar. You have to unroll it fully to open those icons. Now we have to find the eye comfort shield, which is in my case right here, so simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to disable it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.